I'm John Wood from Header Front Repairs in Swan Hill. We have here in front of us a John Deere 30-foot 200 series tin front. There was some severe damage in the centre of the table auger, of which we replaced with stainless steel and refurbished all the moving parts. Added to that, the flighting is always worn, and so we've put a stainless steel ribbon from outside to inside to bring it back to the original specifications. Added to that, we've put a new floor right through the front, which is 3mm stainless. So after painting it and putting back together, this machine should do years and years of work without any maintenance whatsoever. Well, the paint job is part of our finishing off of all of our products. Everything is always painted. So it comes out looking like it's not been used and it's new. So give us a call on 0418 525 942. If you've got an old tin front like this that's looking a bit sad, we can send it out back to you just like this one.